Hello, everybody. I was just exhausted. I had to take a nap in the middle of the workday. God forbid, but I did. I needed it. Okay, so I was asked about the A6, how I am doing with the A6, if I'm still using it. Answer is yes, I am. I don't think I'm going to stick with the Chic Sparrow A6 Folio. As of right now, I don't think I am. I think I've made that decision. However, I have the Moterm A6 cover coming in. I just got from AliExpress the tracking confirmation that it's on its way. Originally, they said it would be here around December 10th. So I'm just hoping to God that it gets here sooner than that. But if it doesn't, it doesn't. I still have this one in the meantime. How I'm using my A6. So I told you guys I've been going to a leadership class. It was actually the last week. So my promise book, I put on here book number 1 and day I started. I dated it because I am planning on keeping my Stalogies on a shelf with dates on them so that if I ever need them for reference, I have it. Now, what I've been doing, so the form of this promise book is that every day that I commit something. Oh yeah, I'll get that to you. Oh yeah, I'll send you a text. Oh yeah, I'll create that portal. Oh yeah, I'll blah, 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 blah. Shit was falling through the cracks because you cannot keep all that in your head. And then you're overextended because you had a full day of appointments or life or whatever. So I've been making it a point that I write down the day. So I'll give you a perfect example. And this flipped over. I was thinking about this earlier. I need to figure out how to flip this shit around so that you guys don't see backwards, because I really don't mind you guys seeing what I really have. But I put the day, I put what the promises were that I made. So what commitments did I make? And then the next day. So on Saturday and Sunday, I went through and just made sure, okay, what do I have left? That's where this Saturday came in. So I still have stuff that I needed to get done. Some of it was just marked through because it didn't even need to be done. It nothing further was required. Whether it was a canceled appointment getting prepped for, just one of these, whatever. Nikki needs the settlement statement. I'm helping one of my clients. They're closing on their house. They're on the seller side next week. So I sent title company what they needed, marked it off because that was all that was needed. I still have, though, from Saturday, something I need to get done, but I had put that it was due this week that I promised. So it's almost like a work diary. Maybe that's the best way to explain it, how I'm using it. On these Stalogies at the very top as well, so they have right here where it's the months and the day and the date. You guys, I keep trying to do that because it would make me responsible and more organized. No, it just does not work for me. I need to just write the damn day, and if I need to date it, I write. Now, for Monday and Tuesday, so this week what I've been working on with my schedule, I need to, so I'm making effort. I blocked up all my time this week. So in my phone, I have accounted for every kind of minute, not including some small spaces of break. But beyond that, white space time, workout time, devotional time, my 66-day challenge, which is reading some affirmations out to myself, and then appointments or whatever. I've been putting those in my calendar. I only did it for this week, though. The reason I did that was I need to start seeing where I'm falling short on what I say is important, so then I can go back and say, was it really important or was it not? I'm trying to get more effective. So if you guys have been following some of my first videos, I am on a mission to become effective and productive. I need to get my shit together again because it's a little crazy. So Monday and Tuesday. So I went on ahead and prepared my A6. So Monday I put the black one is for what I promised today. So anything that I promise, same thing. If somebody calls me and I commit to them that I'm going to get something done, I'll write it in black. If I overcommitted myself on my calendar, I'm writing those things down. So today, for example, so there's Tuesday. I've been using those, the Mr. Pen felt pens that I told you guys about. I got them on Amazon. So I'm using these, and I'm still using my mild liners as my highlighter. But so Tuesday today, for example, someone reached out to me. They saw one of my posts. They are looking for a rental home. And so she reached out. I said, absolutely. Later on today, I will put together a portal, and then I'll let you know when I send it. that's a perfect example of something that I would be putting into my Stalogy, my A6 promise book, right? So I'll put on there that's what I committed to her. Now, something that I overcommitted on myself today, so the green category, was I overcommitted that I was going to wake up 5:30 in the morning so I could start my mug and morning mindset. Yeah, that did not happen, and it didn't happen yesterday. So I'm going to mark, I overcommitted myself. I said I would wake up at 5:30. Clearly, I'm not there. The earliest I'm waking up lately is like 6:15. So I need to evaluate that so that next week I can try to either try it again or try to start at 6:15 and see if I can be effective with my time, right? So that's how I'm using it for this week. Honestly, the A6 overall, so my feedback overall on this little one is it's a fantastic little one. So my hand, so to my hand, this is what it looks like. Okay, so that's my pointer finger, right? How far it goes, but that's my middle finger. Not flicking y'all off, but there you go. I've been writing in this book so far, the one thing I like, but I'm intentionally not using it as like a book one that I have taped those inserts and stuff like my A5. So it's staying nice and slim so far. That might change up, but as of right now, it looks good. I'm not using tabs. I did order, and I'll be doing a video soon when they come in. I did go ahead and order the Ollie clip. I ordered another large one, the leopard pattern holiday one. Y'all, that thing is like on fleek or on point or whatever you say when like a cool saying, but the damn thing is so awesome. I'm so excited. And then I also ordered one of the jumbo, like the round dots, to try on my B6 Slim to see if that works better with my wallet setup. But in the meantime, this one from like just the clips perspective, let me see, I think I actually have one. Yeah, I do. So if you go with just the standard, the small Ollie clips, I did order some of those, like a 5-pack. So small one right here, right? So it's super small. Here's my finger. They're tiny. They're really cute. I don't know from a cute perspective if it matters to you. But look, for example, if you were to use this in here, it still doesn't make it too chunky. But it can mark your pages. I think that's a personal preference thing. If you prefer that you have it marked or not. In this case, I just don't mind flipping through the pages. Maybe later down the road when I start writing further along, I might change my mind. I'll let you guys know, but up to now, I'm trying to keep it as clean as I can. For me, I'm trying to keep the shit where it's effective for me so that I open it. Because the bottom line is if I don't open it, I'm not using it. And if I open it, but I'm not using it for what it's supposed to be used for, what was the point, right? So anyway, so that's that. Dormouse is the color of this A6 folio. The only reason I'm not going to use this one is I did get spoiled with the Moterm. So if the Moterm delivers the same type of functionality that the B6 has been giving me in the A5, sorry, Dormouse. As much as I love the color, Chic Sparrow's fantastic. If you prefer not to have pockets and such, because it does bulk it up a little bit, right? This one I think would be a fantastic option. This is like so simple. It's gorgeous. It's durable. For control freaks like me, I think sometimes we get worried that they get scratched. It's actually been quite awesome to get these things scratched. I find myself not looking forward to it, but not minding it. So this is like my B6 Slim, the wallet setup, but it's starting to like, looks used. Looks used. That means I'm using it. Planner piece, y'all. So with that said, that's what I've got for you guys. I will continue. Some of you have been sharing ideas of what you would like me to continue showing, like different topics. You find something you want me to talk about. I am a business owner. So if you have any business questions you want to talk to me about and like post a question, I'll shoot you straight. I tend to be brutally honest. Feel free to ask away if you have questions on like pens, highlighters, life, how I deal with 5 kids. I have 20, 18, 16, 5, and 3. I'm only 37. I'll be 38 in a couple weeks. Ask away. Have questions about these little Ollie clips, ask away. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys for following me. I'm still shocked that so many of you share amazing, sweet comments, that so many of you are finding these helpful. Wasn't my intention to start a channel to really see that the world would need me, and clearly the planner community is welcoming me so far. So with that said, I see you, I love you. You need anything at all, find me on social media, reach out, post a comment below, and I hope you have an awesome rest of the day. Bye.